One issue comes with a while loop is that there is a possibility not to execute the code in the loop block at least one time. How can that happen? Think about this code. Here, we have assigned the value of the score variable as 3. We did that because we are doing this for learning. But in a real-world app, most probably, the value of the score variable might be a user input. So if it was 10, this code part would not have executed at least once. Let us change the value and run it. You can see no output there. There might be situations where you have to run the code in the loop block at least once. If you want the code in the loop block to execute at least once, best option is do loop. This is how we do it. Cut this while part with the parenthesis and paste it below, like this, closer to ending curly bracket. And type do keyword closer to starting curly bracket. The do loop is similar to the while loop, except that the code to check true or false is not evaluated until after the do loop's code is executed. Because of that reason, the code in a do loop is guaranteed to execute at least one time. Let us run this code first, for the score value of 3. Yes, it gives exactly the same result previous for a loop given. Now, I am change this score value to 10. Let us run the code again. So, this is the result. You can see, even though this Boolean expression evaluates to false from the start, the code has executed once. As a summary, this is how a while loop looks. And this is how the do while loop looks. But remember, there must always be a way to end the loop. Think, if I change this to 3 again, and remove this line, what can happen? What do you think? If I run this code now, it will print this statement until my computer's memory is over. So be careful when you are dealing with loops. You must include a way to terminate the loop at the time you want it to stop.